A very good morning, students. Let us continue chapter number 10, Armed Revolutionary Movement, part 2. Anushilan Samiti, Barindra Kumar Ghosh, Arvind Ghosh, Kundiram Bose and Prafulla Chakki, Raj Bihari Bose, Sachin Chandra Nath Sayal, Revolutionary Work in Madras Province, India House, Gadar Movement. We have already spoken about Abhinav Bharat, how we saw about that is Swatantraveer Savarkar. He renamed Mitra Mela as Abhinav Bharat in 1904 and it had 500 branches and bomb manufacturing center as well. So let's continue this chapter. Anushilan Samiti is also one of the organization which was started, and Barindra Kumar Ghosh, he was the brother of Arvind Ghosh, chief of Anushilan Samiti. Arvind Ghosh gave guidance and counsel to Anushilan Samiti. So here also now different people, different, as I told you, different organizations were started in every corner of our country, and this is called revolutionary movements in every part of this country. So Anushilan Samiti was also set up, and Arvind Ghosh was giving guidance and counseling to Anushilan Samiti, the members of the Anushilan Samiti. He was arrested, but the government was not successful in linking him to the manufacturing of bombs, so he was set free. उनको पहले गिरफ्तार किया गया अरविंद घोष, बस उनके खिलाफ कोई ठोक सबूत, he did not get any policemen did not get any kind of proof or connections with the bomb manufacturing, so he was set free. Kundiram Bose and Prafulla Chakki, both of them planned to kill the Judge Kingsford. So they wanted to kill Judge Kingsford. एंड इन द बॉम्बिंग टू, तो उन्होंने जब बॉम्ब फेंका तो जो जिस व्हीकल से वो ट्रैवल कर रहे थे उस व्हीकल में वो नहीं थे, उसके बदले में इंस्टेड ऑफ देयर वर 2 इंग्लिश विमेन्स वर देयर and they got killed. So not to fall in the hands of the British, अभी गिरफ्तार करेंगे, तो what did Prafulla did? He shot himself and Kundiram Bose was arrested. Raj Bihari Bose set up revolutionary centers in Punjab, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh. He and his associates made an unsuccessful attempt to kill. बहुत सारा they tried a lot to kill the Viceroy Lord Hardinge by throwing bomb at him. Then comes Sachin Chandra Nath Sayal. He spread the network of Anushilan Samiti outside Bengal. So this work also he started spreading everywhere outside Bengal province also. Revolutionary of work in Madras province. Vanshi Iyer killed British officer Ash. He shot himself and sacrificed his life. So everywhere in every corner of a country, everyone was sacrificing for some or the other thing. So in Madras provinces, this person Vanshi Iyer, he killed one officer named Ash, and then he killed himself so that he should not get caught, and then otherwise British might ask him different things, and so in order to do this, he shot himself. India House was set up. Shyamji Krishna Varma, he was the founder of India House, and it was the main center of Indian Revolutionary in London. So India House was set up so that, and who set up this India House? Shyamji Krishna Varma, and it was the main center of Indian Revolutionary which was set up in London. He gave scholarships to Indian youths for higher education in England. So just like students, sometimes we get scholarships. किसी के बनने के बाद उसके नाम से ये स्कॉलरशिप रखी जाती है. सो हियर ऑल्सो दिस person gave scholarship for the Indian youth so that they can take higher education in England. Madam Kama raised the issue of India's independence at the World Socialist Conference at Stuttgart in Germany. So one of the conference was held there, and Madam Kama, she attended that conference, and she put forth our issue, Indians independence, कि हमें independence नहीं मिल रहा है. She put forth this kind of point in the conference, and she unfurled the flag, मतलब अपना झंडा, तिरंगा झंडा लहराया, flag of India there. Madanlal Dhingra, he assassinated the British officer, assassinated मतलब murder करना, Curzon Willie, and was hanged. So he everywhere, in every part of the corner, somebody was being killed and somebody was getting killed off. That is, all this thing was happening in every part of this country. Revolutionary activities gained momentum during the First World War. उनको ज़्यादा स्कोप कब आया? When the First World War was going on and the Britishers were involved in the First World War. So what this many revolutionaries were of view, उनका एक व्यू था कि दैट इंडिपेंडेंस, इंडिया कैन गेन इंडिपेंडेंस बाय टेकिंग द हेल्प ऑफ द एनिमीज ऑफ द ब्रिटिश. सो जो ब्रिटिश के खिलाफ लड़ रहे उनकी मदद लेके हम ब्रिटिश को हरा सकते. सो दे वर दैट काइंड ऑफ व्यू पॉइंट्स. टू अचीव दिस, हेल्प ऑफ इंडियन सोल्जर्स कैन बी टेकन, एंड इन ऑर्डर टू डू दिस वी कैन आस्क द इंडियन सोल्जर्स टू हेल्प ऑल दिस थिंग्स. देन गदार मूवमेंट. गदार मीन्स रिवॉल्ट. जो रिवॉल्ट करते हैं वो चाहे आर्म रिवॉल्यूशन हो, वेदर इट इज सत्याग्रह, वेदर इट इज एन हड़ताल, दिस रिवॉल्यूशनरी. गदार मीन्स रिवॉल्ट. लाला हरदयाल भाई, परमानंद एंड डॉक्टर पांडुरंग सदाशिव कान्होजी, this they established by Indian livings in America and Canada. So they started a journal, Gadar movement started a journal, which is also, it can be called magazine, we get newspaper and etc. So they started a journal, that is Gadar, and they told information. What kind of information was there in the journal? That British का India के ऊपर क्या हो रहा है, कितना इफेक्ट, the effects of British rule on India were pointed out through these journals. So क्या किस दौर से इंडिया गुजर रही है, all thing was mentioned. Information about the daring deeds of, जो काम किए हैं जो रिवॉल्यूशनरीज ने अपने जान दे के एक्सेट्रा, व्हाट डीड्स दे हैव डन, वर ऑल्सो गिविंग इंफॉर्मेशन ऑन इन दैट जर्नल. लव फॉर नेशन एंड आर्म रेबेलियन वॉज द मैसेज गिवन थ्रू दिस जर्नल. सो उनका एक मैसेज क्या दिए थे? लव, दे लव नेशन एंड आर्म रेबेलियन वॉज द मैसेज गिवन टू द Indians there through journal. Rajbihari Bose and Vishnu Ganesh Pingle planned to overthrow the British government in Punjab, टेकिंग द एडवांटेज ऑफ फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर. सो पंजाब में ब्रिटिश, हर जगह ब्रिटिश का सरकार था. सो इन पंजाब दे ट्राइड टू ओवरथ्रो, टेकिंग द एडवांटेज ऑफ द फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर. परसुएडेड द इंडियन सोल्जर्स. सो उन्होंने हेल्प ली इंडियन सोल्जर्स की इन ब्रिटिश आर्मी टू जॉइन द रिवॉल्ट. सो दे आस्क द इंडियन सोल्जर्स टू जॉइन द रिवॉल्ट. द प्लान फेल्ड ड्यू टू ट्रेजरी. नाउ देयर वाज सम मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग और एवरीथिंग, but it failed. Rajbihari Bose went to Japan and continued his revolutionary activities there. I hope this part is clear to you, students. Please go through the video, solve the assignment. Another video also will be uploaded. Thank you. Stay safe.